What's that? What's going on here? You supposed
Pull it, bro. Pull it.
This is Albanian way, huh? Sharp grip. They're supposed to change. They're supposed to change the thing, yeah.
Well, you know what?
Exactly.
Ato po përdorojnë forcë se nuk din me hek një klik të vogël.
No, I figured it. Look, oh shit.
This is Albanian way, shive. Çishi I futi mosh atë, shive. E prishë. No, you can't përdor force, no.
Bruv, I'm telling you.
That's what she's saying on the video, but before she was like, break it.
No, I didn't say to break it. Take it off slowly. Wait. Look what he's doing, hey. Hey, look at me.
What, bro?
You're supposed to fix my dishwasher.
I am fixing it.
How?
Using special means.
My goodness. You're supposed to put this element heater. This guy
I'm so
called...
tempted to just go.
No. But the
So
both
weird,
of them
that
same
was
age.
she's so
How old are
funny.
you?
She's so funny because she was
How
on
old are you? Hey,
17.
17.
Yeah.
The other one?
I'm 12.
So look at me. Hey, look at me.
Yes, finally, bro. Rip that thing up.
I didn't rip it, bro. It's supposed to
No,
come
no,
out.
you can't.
It's supposed to come out, bro. Chill, bro, chill.
My goodness. Kadal, hey. Kadal.
What the fuck is in there, fam?
Yeah, this is actually done out.
My goodness. So I'm gonna name this video Albanian way
Engineers.
I mean,
Oh.
engineers.
changing element heat of the dishwasher. Okay, they're trying to rip it apart.
Oh
So
yeah,
there are
rip
two
those
ways.
wires out. Take those
No,
wires out.
bro,
You gotta have a delicate touch.